This is how to get the old app icons back on your iPhone. If you're using the new OS, the iOS 26, you might notice your app icons have changed a little bit or a lot of bit. If you want to get that back to how it was before, at least close to how it was before, you can't get it exactly, but you can get it close. This is how you do it. Tap and hold anywhere in a blank space on your home screen, or you can tap and hold on any app and then choose Edit Home Screen. You have an edit button up here. Tap on the edit button and then tap on Customize. Now we have lots of options for various styles for our apps. To get back to the old version of our apps, click on that little icon there. You can also change the brightness of the background. You can barely see that changing on my camera here, but different backgrounds you'll see that more predominantly. And you can also make the app icons bigger and smaller if you want. But this gets us back to our old colors. There's one more slight change you can do, and that's adjusting the contrast and transparency in iOS 26. To do that, head into the settings, go down until you find accessibility. Tap on that to open it, then go to display and text size. Here we have the option to reduce transparency and increase contrast. You can turn these off and on and just see how the apps look and the icons look. And you can pick the version of that you want to have. But the main step is changing our app display, icon display back to default, which was the first part of this video. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which is going to show you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. I know it sounds weird, it sounds like you shouldn't need to do it, but you do need to do it. So check out that video and I'll see you there.